Okay.
I go put that. No. I go put that. I don't record. They do. I go put that. Hey guys, hey mamas, hey beauties, hey everybody, blokes on the college, hey Oyeka's friends watching, hey everybody. So we're going to be like flushing out all the things that should just remain in 2020.
Pack and go.
Like serious pack and go. This is pack and go. Edition 50, like pack and fly out of Nigeria, the world. We don't even want you. So that's what we're going to be filming today with my baby bro, my and
my baby sis too. Since everybody's baby, let us be baby and be going now. You know the matter.
So I'm going to be doing that with Eka Bling, the blinging blinger. So if you're new to my channel and you're wondering what I'm all about, my name is Deka. I'm a mom of 3, Gina, Ife, and Ola. And my channel is about lifestyle, motherhood and lifestyle. I live in Abuja, Nigeria, obviously. My name, DIARYOFANABUJAMOM. Okay, and I'm the number one. I'm the number one digital kind mama of everywhere, okay? Yeah, of everywhere. So this is like subscribe. If you're this hair, I don't understand this hair.
You know what's the one place?
You know what's the one place? Just the road. So don't forget to subscribe. This is the best time. This is really the best time to subscribe. If you're already feeling our vibes, okay? Why you scratch your nose?
I'm not scratching, just touch.
Okay, just touch her.
I have that.
So this is the best time to subscribe. Click on the bell button to get you notified. So whenever we post new videos like this, you'll be the first to get it. And without wasting much of your time, let's get into this video. My own.
Don't call me your own again. Back and go.
So number one, we have to like, what's that? In pack and go. As in pack and go. It's Koro.
We are tired.
Guys, like,
don't worry, you have won. You don't win. Just
we're not arguing with you. You're bigger than us. You be senior, like serious senior man. You be as in we believe you with the race salute. Oh yeah, it's okay.
We don't toilet for you.
Like I don't understand. I think I was just sharing that there's a mutated part of it now that is coming out and making people blind.
I don't just understand.
And I'm like, how?
Did you know one Greek go?
It's not easy to the dance.
2 weeks ago, vaccine. Now this is going upgrade.
Okay, watch that video where that woman did the interview and then she faints.
A nurse is vaccinated, but just minutes later, this happens.
I'm sorry.
Tiffany Dover fainted as she spoke to reporters at a hospital in Chattanooga.
There's one video that was trending on Instagram where they would just say after taking COVID-19 vaccines, people they done this. Like really, like guys, let me know in the comment section if you're going to take the vaccine. They bring the vaccine, will you take it or you say please? Like let us know in the comment section. But Koro,
very good criticism if you're going to criticize the vaccine.
Yeah, if you're not going to take it, really, so give us your reason why you won't take it. No bashing, no insults. Just give us your pure, genuine reason why you're not going to take it and why you would take it. Because some people will take it.
You go take it now.
You go take it. Me, I don't know what I go take. Because when I saw those, like
if you go online, you just be scared about the whole thing.
Yeah.
But
so,
I don't go there among first 100 to take share.
Okay,
first 1 million.
You go take
I don't go there among first 1 million. Like there among like first
200 billion. Yeah, they need to first 200 billion. When people don't take, don't finish or then when I don't take my own. I don't want there.
I can't come and kill myself.
It's so scary now because whenever I go out, I'm so worried that like for my baby that has her system is still very fragile. Like I get worried that something might happen and like it may not affect me. But like I used to tell you, if something is doing me, ask my brother, if something is doing me, I always say, bless I don't carry COVID, if I just cough. I'm so worried, guys.
Number 2 is for all those babes. All those babes. They will not call you. All those babes that will not call you ever. But every time you see their call, know what is urgent. Urgent 2K.
Oh boy.
Every time, urgent.
True. Like I know you're my brother, but real talk, that's in the happen.
Next.
Are you serious?
No, but person never call you for like months. So you just call, please I'm stranded. Urgent 2K. And the funny thing about this is,
why is it 2K? Like, why is it? Why not 1K? Why not 500 cards? Why not 5 million?
2K, they like the minimum somebody can give you like that.
And they'll feel ask like 10 guys to 2K. Oh, that's like 10K.
If you ask
no,
20,
that's 20K.
If you ask 10 guys 20K. If you ask 20 people, if you get over, you don't, na business now.
Oh boy.
Some people they get.
But it's really embarrassing, though. Like 2K, I feel it's
and
so...
if you don't give them, they always feel like saying that you go there embarrassed because they feel like maybe small 2K.
Small 2K, don't forgive me. But it's really embarrassing. Girls, please, if you're a young girl and you're watching this video, you're not married, you're just dating, please, urgent 2K is very embarrassing for all of us, the women folk. Like 2K is too small. If you want to do that kind of thing, start with like better money. You know, when they start with like waiting for you. So if they call you that.
I'm not gonna fire anybody gonna come with that.
I just said I don't want 2K. I feel I want like 50K. When did I 50K? That's what now. But I don't want 2K. 50K.
50K is too small.
100K. Many thunderstorm blow them. Girls, please, as in pack and go. Urgent 2K, pack and go, okay? Pack and go. So number 3 for me is on my YouTube. There's something that happened which I told you.
Yeah.
I talk about my experience, right? When I gave birth to my baby, and somebody replied and was like, telling me that I have a problem with nurses, and then went back and forth, and she now even misconstrued everything I said and said saying I'm trying to say that she's broke, you know. So my own for YouTube is that content advisors, people that I'm telling you my experience, and somehow you want me to talk your own experience for myself. Please, like my personal experience, pack and go. Please stop advising me on what to say on my experience, like what me I went through, not what you went. I can't, like, just like somebody coming to tell me that YouTubers are telling me that a YouTuber did something bad to her. I will not say a lie. YouTubers no fit do am. That's what you're trying to tell me. Are you me? Is you us? Is you me? Is you we?
Is we all of you?
Like,
pack and go.
I don't. Please, I'm not saying this in a rude way. I'm not trying to bash you guys, but please don't tell me to say something else. Like my experience, I should be able to tell you guys my experience in things. That's why I have a YouTube channel. So if you know you are having in mind to start telling me what to say, please just as in pakikwa dear. Pack and go. You don't want song where they sing pack and go. Pack and go.
Pack and go. Pack and no, there's one that guy that sang this song.
Pack and go song.
Pack and go.
You know.
So please. Wash clothes. Pack and go.
That old man with that young babe. Annie, sweetie. My own.
Don't call me your own again. Pack and go.
Okay, but that being said, nurses are superb. They are most beautiful people in the world.
Medical professionals.
Yeah, all of them.
Very good. You know, just as some of them can be, you know.
And you cannot use because of the few bad
yes, but I'm not going to say, I'm not going to tell you that I lie because I want to say that online.
Because
you know,
the nurse in her own case, practically did something that she didn't like, and she felt that thing was not supposed to, not the way it's supposed to be.
Yes,
so it's just a very simple thing. So let's not be stressing this whole thing up and down.
Yeah. So
okay, the next one, this next one too, is more for those ladies. You know, those our ladies.
What those my girls?
They don't never get money to sub. Their money they go to for bank. Always sub for me. Send me pictures, sub for me.
That's okay. If you don't send me pictures, I'll tell you sub for me. So you don't
sub for me.
And you take to sub, you don't go sub small subbing, not like better subbing.
If you want sub for person for like 1.5 for MTN, like about 2K sub because MTN now don't be like say you don't go anywhere. How?
Just to send one picture. Oh, you they downgrade, they fuck up. How you know go send like? Why won't you send sub for me to send you picture? You're the one that wants the picture. Those
people are not very personal.
Okay.
They're just our friends. We're all friends. I don't understand.
Okay, so if now your babe now you don't mind.
No, I don't mind.
You don't need to. She's not going to tell you go they sub.
I don't know because if I go online, I don't see her. Practically, I know that she doesn't have. So I just.
You sub for her, but why will you be having friends when you have babe? So even they tell you to sub for you, why do they tell your friends to send you picture? Guys, ask him, the ultimate question.
I think the thing is that you have to have friends because friends just keep you company.
Company of what? Company of waiting.
No, sometimes you just want to explore.
What? Oh, yeah, but these are the boss buttons.
My babe, they watch this thing now.
Babe,
don't
mind me. Don't mind him. He's just being silly. He's not like that.
Yeah.
And if you even try, I mean, those are the boss buttons. I go boss him. I do not can down. No worry. Trust me.
If I show you my head, I don't bust a plenty time. I want to keep on this.
So okay, but on a serious note, sobbing girls, please. It's too childish.
Yeah.
These girls, they tell you to sob. How old are they? Are they like 18, 19?
Just say they're within the range of say 20 to 26.
A 26-year-old girl will tell you to sob for her. 1K5. 1K5.
That's even 2,000. But now the funny thing is
that to your gen 2K now.
There's a girl like that. I said that she sold for her before. One time like that. I saw this girl 1K. This girl the ginger. I saw she tell myself I sold for her 1K. So how much did she take? Sold for her 50,000. Maybe that I go do 1 terabyte for her. Maybe she not sell. We are serious.
You know,
but some people nowadays they beg something with so much confidence. Like, as if they're begging you, if you not do it, they tell you, then I beg. It will come be like say, you know, like you be stingy person.
So the next one for me is the crave of bone straight, guys. I don't understand.
What do you mean bone straight? Straight, bone with straight.
I know everyone know that.
What's the idea? I don't understand.
The hair, boy, is straight. I just realized, like I started seeing it online, and I'm like, what's the crave? Like people want to die over. People are really they ginger. They
saw a video of one
like screaming when their boyfriend buy them both. Even the ones that they see shall not be bone straight. Doesn't see a bone, another bone like sideways. I don't know.
Maybe dog bone straight.
I don't know. Maybe because the hair not too even straight, but they scream. And I'm like, even one girl, I see one video where one girl go thief.
The bone straight. They don't catch her now. She escaped.
They don't catch her for there, but they catch her after because person people back.
Under her face.
Very important. You are in the shop. Your eye supposed to be everywhere.
What is this?
Every corner, every movement.
Ha! I'm like, what? Like, no. I beg. It's too much. Hey, what's it?
Like, imagine say now, sorry, your jungle justice happened and they catch you.
As in, we're not saying that because of hair. It's wrong, please. As in, both straight has to stay 2020. After this, we don't want to open any straight. Let's just be with our coins and waves and whatever we're wearing, with our bonds. And Nigerians like over making things, hyping things, like making things look more than they are. Like bone straight. Now you see your young girls bone straight, but everybody goes. I want bone straight. I want bone straight. And you know, I remember when we upcoming that time, many girls fuck up because of BB. Now bone straight they won't use after this Christmas. I think even the Christmas.
But girls they fuck up with iPhone still now.
Not true, Sha.
But girls just like to fuck up every time. It's like
not true, Sha. So please, back and go, bone straight.
Back and go.
Back and go. Yeah. So the next one is, guys, this one is for YouTube. I just noticed that it's this saga that goes on YouTube, and I'm like, Oyeka, Nigerian YouTubers will never even start, will never even grind beans for the YouTube world, never even get plenty subscribers. People already they do saga, they quarrel, they fight, they you know, they just say this one do this one talk this one don't talk that, this one. YouTube vloggers like me, as in we never even quarrel beans, so we never even start. As in the highest, I think the highest person where they in Nigeria base, not the person that abroad they in Nigeria, person in Nigeria, I think it's like 400k subscribers, and not people can't get like 10 million. That means they're going even they're going to cause World War II. I'm telling you, please, like back and go. YouTube saga, mind your business. If you're watching somebody and you're not feeling the person is not killing you, the person is not hurting you, the person just post something, they pay now.
Criticize
constructively, not to insult. Like people don't but that girl will criticize me for her, she criticized constructively because she can't talk right. I'm talking with love.
How can you be talking with love?
But they one person. No, please. YouTube saga, pack and go. I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. What would you like to pack and go 2020 that you don't want to come back?
Go to the comment section and you write it down.
And write it for us. And don't forget to
let us see your own pack and go. Subscribe. Click the red button. Ding ding.
Yeah, and also do what? Like that, no, the red button is the subscribe, then the bell button
is for notification.
It's for notification, so that whenever we post.
No, I said subscribe and click the red button. So like
I don't know.
Oh, they make even nah.
So guys, we love you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, please. Don't forget to show us love, and let us know what you like to see on this vlogmas, because like I know I've not been posting, guys, just because so many things have been happening.
Been busy.
But we love you guys so much for watching. Until our next vlogmas. Salute.
Okay, wait, you're like.
Yeah, you don't need to do like
I got to give it to them now.
That is my 3 boys.
Nah.
Wait till that song. My 3 boys, they do it. That Dizzy song. Who goes there? Pataka. I come from.
Shout out to Dan Dizzy.
Shout out to Dan Dizzy, PH boy. So that's all my lady. Like the all my lady. They say yeah. I say yeah. I say yeah. What is as in that guy? Who goes there? Pataka.
Pitakwa, how old is he? My name na ABUJA. I don't know that she's still there. I don't know what to do.
I'm not gonna with the ABUJA.
I don't say you sit down. I don't say you're not born.
No, I've been there. ABUJA, one other person, one other lady.
Jetta. ABUJA not sabi verse. Her voice is strong. Sabi verse. She make me remember. Whenever they are, but remember this our neighbor.
For my
the next. After Ajayi, the next one, no, for this next
okay, I don't know our neighbor, their name. Guys, let me just say one thing. Something happened. So when my brother was in FGC Enugu, we actually went to Enugu. So shout out to the Enugu guys.
Yeah. Spare boys.
So I went to visit him, and guys,
she can't cause problem for my school.
Oh boy!
She came to cause problem.
I don't believe your babe.
And my schools,
the whole school, yeah, I'm telling you, still. The whole school came out, they were staring at me. I was shy, but I was doing as if I was not shy, but I wanted to enter the floor. Yeah. But I was like, oh boy, as in queen.
Anyway, you enter breeze.
As in, because of me now, my brother can't get friends. Where can they feel up?
They ask you plenty questions. They ask you unnecessary questions.
Small upcoming boys.
Calm down. What's all those
small upcoming boys. Come on.
Then you there SS2 now or SS3?
I did SS3.
Okay, I'm going to SS3.
Yeah,
you
SS2.
No, it was SS1.
Yeah, SS1, yes. Yeah, SS1. As in, they were feeling me, guys.
I was not SS1, no, I was SS3. I'm ready to get there, sorry. I came for lesson.
You came for lesson, jump lesson.
Jump lesson.
Who goes there? Pataka.